Welcome all of you. In the chapter Lines and Angles, we are going to start types of lines. If two lines intersect each other, they are called intersecting lines. Here lines A and B are intersecting lines. They are intersecting at point O. If two lines do not intersect, they are called non-intersecting or parallel lines. In this, L and M both are parallel lines and they are called non-intersecting lines. Here are many types of angles formed by the intersecting and non-intersecting lines, such as if two lines are parallel and any third line is intersecting them. Here L and M are parallel lines and the line A is intersecting both of them. Then there are different types of angles formed, that is angle 1, 2. Here angle 1 and 2 both are adjacent angles and also linear angles of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 are linear pair of angles and also adjacent angles, and 1 and 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because these are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. And angle 2 is equal to angle 4. It is also vertically opposite angle. And here angle 1 is equal to angle 5 because if two lines are parallel and any third line intersecting these two lines and the angles that are formed which have same shape, angle 1 and angle 5, they have same shape and they are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal. Similarly, we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. This is also corresponding angles pair. And similarly, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8, corresponding angles. And angle 3 is equal to angle 7. It is equal to angle 7, sorry. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. These are corresponding angles. And angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles. And the angles that forms the shape of Z or reverse Z. It means the shape of Z or reverse Z. They are called alternative angle. Examples are angle 3 and angle 5, and alternative angles are always equal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 5. These are interior alternative angle. Interior alternative angle. And similarly angle 4 and angle 6, they are forming the shape of reverse Z. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. It is also interior alternative angles pair. And angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. It is called exterior alternative angle. Exterior alternative angle. And similarly angle 1 is equal to angle 7. It is also exterior alternative angle pair. Now we have to prove that if two lines are intersecting each other, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. This is theorem 6.1. if two lines are intersecting each other, then vertically opposite angles are always equal. So we have to prove here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. First of all, angle 1 and angle 3 both are linear pair angles because both are formed on the line A. So angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 because they are linear pair and sum of linear pair angles are always 180. Similarly, angle 2 on the line B, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. And as we know that the all angles that are formed on a point, they have the sum of 360 degree. So we can say the angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 360 degree. So we can say that angle 1 plus 3 is equal to angle 2 plus 3 because sum of both pairs are 180 degree, and we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we have proved that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and similarly we can show angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So we can say that vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.